Welcome back to our series where we break down crypto projects and give you the insights you need to decide whether they're worth your time. Remember, this isn't financial, tax, or legal advice. Always do your own research. Today, we're diving into SUI, a high-throughput, low-latency blockchain that promises a unique object-centric data model, positioning itself as a strong contender in the rapidly evolving blockchain space. But is it just another blockchain, or does it have what it takes to stand out from the crowd? By the end of this video, we'll score SUI out of 100 based on its strengths, weaknesses, and potential. Whether you're already invested or just crypto curious, you'll want to stick around for this one. Team and development. Behind SUI's creation in 2021 is Miston Labs, a team of blockchain experts that has made waves in the industry. The project was co-founded by ex-Meta engineers, including Evan Chang, who served as the director of research at Meta's Novi blockchain team. With such a strong pedigree, it's clear that SUI comes with a wealth of experience from some of the best minds in tech. The development of SUI has been rapid, with a strong focus on performance. This blockchain was designed for high throughput and low latency transactions, making it an attractive option for developers building decentralized applications that require speed and scalability. While still in its early stages, SUI's commitment to continuous improvement via regular updates and upgrades has shown that they're serious about staying competitive. Score: 8 out of 10, use case and utility. At its core, SUI aims to address the scalability challenges of blockchain technology. Most blockchains are built around a single data model, which limits their ability to process transactions efficiently. But SUI's object-centric model allows each object on the blockchain to be processed independently, enabling greater scalability and speed. This means that SUI can handle thousands of transactions per second with low latency, making it a strong contender for high-performance applications in industries like gaming, finance, and NFTs, and that's exactly why it is already attracting developers who see the potential in this new architecture. However, it's still a long way from being fully integrated into the mainstream, and it has a lot of competition in the smart contract space. So for now, its real-world usage remains limited, but that could change quickly if adoption picks up. Score: 6 out of 10, Tokenomics. The native token of SUI is SUI token, used for transaction fees, staking rewards, and on-chain governance. The total supply is capped at 10 billion tokens, with 50% allocated to community reserves for staking and ecosystem growth, 20% for developers and the Miston Labs team, 14% for investors, 10% in the treasury, and 6% from a public sale. SUI's inflation rate starts at around 5% per year, decreasing over time. Token unlock schedules for the team, and investors could lead to periodic sell pressure. While the fixed supply limits inflation, how the community reserve is distributed will impact long-term market stability. If too many tokens enter the market too quickly, inflationary pressure could occur, but strong adoption could help offset this. And SUI is calling the attention of many. Overall, SUI's tokenomics are structured to support long-term growth, but careful management of token releases is key to maintaining stability. Score: 8 out of 10, network activity and adoption. SUI is attracting growing interest from developers eager to build on its high-throughput, low-latency architecture. However, on-chain activity remains relatively light, as many projects are still in testing or early development. As adoption increases, we'll likely see a surge in activity, particularly in sectors like gaming and DeFi. The real challenge will be whether SUI can sustain long-term growth and establish itself as a go-to blockchain for developers. Score: 6 out of 10, hype versus fundamentals. SUI has generated significant buzz thanks to its high-profile team and unique blockchain architecture. But is the excitement justified, or is it just speculation? On paper, SUI's fundamentals are strong. Its focus on scalability and innovative data models set it apart. However, many promising blockchains have captured early attention only to fall short in execution. Whether SUI can truly deliver on its potential remains to be seen. Score: 8 out of 10, security and decentralization. Security is a critical factor for any blockchain, and SUI is no exception. Its object-centric model is designed to enable fast and secure transactions, with a validator system in place to support scalability. However, concerns remain about the network's level of decentralization. As SUI's validator ecosystem continues to grow, some worry that it could become too centralized over time. To maintain its decentralized nature and avoid the pitfalls of other blockchains that have faced centralization issues, SUI will need to carefully manage its validator distribution and governance. Score 6 out of 10. Self-custody. When it comes to self-custody, SUI empowers users to take full control of their assets. Non-custodial wallets like SUI Wallet and Petra Wallet offer a decentralized approach, allowing you to securely store and manage your SUI tokens. For maximum security, it's crucial to store your private keys or recovery phrases offline in a safe location. Hardware wallets, such as Ledger and Trezor, provide an extra layer of protection by keeping your keys offline, minimizing the risk of online attacks. Remember, with full control over your assets comes the responsibility to protect them. Always safeguard your recovery information and use secure storage methods to maintain self-custody and ensure the safety of your tokens. If you're looking for more tips on self-custody and how to protect your crypto, we can guide you in the CryptoVagabonds Academy. Join us to learn the best practices for keeping your assets safe, and don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button because we've got a lot more crypto insights for you. Score 9 out of 10. Market liquidity and volatility. When it comes to market liquidity, SUI has made a relatively smooth entry into the crypto market, securing support from several major exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase. However, given that it's a newer project, its trading volume is still considerably lower than more established blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin. This means that liquidity can sometimes be constrained, especially during times of market volatility or when large trades are placed, which could lead to slippage or price discrepancies across platforms. In terms of volatility, SUI has exhibited the typical price fluctuations seen in emerging crypto assets, with sharp price increases followed by corrections. While its volatility is not as extreme as that of some smaller, more speculative altcoins, it's still susceptible to market sentiment and external factors that influence the overall crypto market. As SUI establishes itself in the broader ecosystem, its price may continue to experience significant swings until it gains more traction and liquidity. Investors should be prepared for these fluctuations and consider the project's long-term growth potential, especially during periods of market instability. Score 6 out of 10. Scalability and technology. Scalability is where SUI really shines. As mentioned, SUI can process thousands of transactions per second with low latency. This positions it as a strong competitor to more established blockchains, especially when it comes to applications that require fast, high-volume transactions. The technical foundation behind SUI is innovative, but the challenge will be proving that it can handle the growth as more projects launch on the platform. If SUI can maintain its performance as adoption grows, it could become a dominant force in the blockchain space. Score 8 out of 10. Regulatory risks. Like any emerging crypto project, SUI faces potential regulatory risks. While there's no indication that SUI will be banned or heavily regulated, governments around the world are starting to pay closer attention to crypto. As with any blockchain project, SUI must navigate this regulatory landscape carefully to avoid running into roadblocks in the future. Score 6 out of 10. SUI is shooting for the stars with its cutting-edge tech, strong team, and scalability focus. But in the wild world of crypto, promise alone isn't enough. It still has plenty to prove, especially when it comes to adoption and decentralization. Final score 71 out of 100. But what do you think? Is SUI the next big thing or just another overhyped project? Drop your take in the comments and also let us know which project we should break down next. Remember, do your own research. And as always, stay curious and stay hodling.